Good day, everyone. Today we will discuss lesson number 6-8, which talking about area of the circle. We already studied the circumference of circle. So area of the circle is to find the area that inside the circle. So circumference was concerning about the line outside the circle. This is the circumference. But area, it's about what inside the circle. So we need to cover, paint the circle, okay? To cover each part of the circle from the inside. This is the area of the circle. How to calculate it? This is our lesson of today. Okay? It's easy, direct. In direct way, we'll say that area of the circle equal, if we considered area of the circle as A, represent area of the circle equals by multiply R to the power 2. Or by another way, word we can say area equal by multiply R multiply R. Because R to the power 2 means R to the power 2 means R multiply R. Okay? And we know that A represent area of the circle. R represent radius. So here we don't have to use diameter, only we use the radius. So if he give me the diameter, how to solve a problem like this? We convert from diameter to radius. How? Because radius R equal D divided 2. So divide the diameter by 2 to get the radius. So we will not work with the diameter. Only the rule of area deal with the radius. Okay? That's it. Let's solve problems. First, a floor of a new butterfly conservatory will be a circle with 18-foot radius. So here make circle R, first information R equal 18. The material for the floor will cost 3.95 per square foot. About how much will the floor cost? Actually, he didn't ask for the area of the circle by direct way, but to cover the area, the circle area, to cover it all, we need to calculate the area. This is the meaning of covering the floor. Okay? So we need to calculate the area first. Okay, we said that area equal by R to the power 2. So instead of R, we will put 18. Yes, so it will be 18 to the power 2. And instead of pi, we will put 3.14. So it's approximately equal. After multiply it, it will equal this number. Okay, so this is the area of the circle. By the way, we can write it as a 3.14 multiply 18 multiply 18. It's the same. Because R to the power 2 is 18 to the power 2, or 18 multiply 18. But sometimes we need to write it expanded, like 18 times 18, to be easy to simplify if you can, if it's easy to simplify. So it's easy to use the numbers. But in our case here, it doesn't matter. You can use it as 18 power 2 and calculate it to get the area, okay? Now we get the area. We need to get the cost to cover this area. He said to me before that it costs about 3.14, 3.95 cost for square foot, and the area is 1017 or 18 square foot, approximately 18. So we'll multiply to get the price of or cost of. You need to multiply. So we'll multiply 3.95 by the area. It will give you the whole cost, which is cost is 4,021 US dollar. Okay. Another wave question is the athletic department wants to paint the school's mascot logo, a school mascot logo, okay, on the gym locker room wall. They start by painting a solid blue circle on the wall. What is the maximum diameter of the logo if only 1/4 of blue painted is used? Okay, so 1/4 of covers, it covers what we'll use. It covers this amount of area. He said he gave it, this is information, he gave it to me. This is meaning what? To cover it by 1/4. It is the area. So we can consider A equal 78.5. Okay? And he need to calculate the diameter. Actually, I can get only the radius from the area, but not the diameter. So what should we do? First, we get the radius. As we know, we can make magic triangle for the area. Area equal by multiply r to the power 2. So here multiply, here divided. So r to the power 2 equals area divided by. This is what should we do. So we get the radius from the area. This is how to get the radius from the area. Okay? Okay. Return back to our problem. So we can apply it here. So radius to the power 2 equal A divided by. And we'll use by 3.14. So A 78.5 over 3.14. Calculating it, we will find r to the power 2 equal 25. So what multiply what equal 25, and they are the same. It's 5, so r equals 5. But he doesn't need the radius. He asked for the diameter, and we know that d equal to r. So it's 2 multiply 5, which is equal 10 feet. We solve it. Okay? Next. Sometimes, or another way of question, if he give you the circumference, can you find the area? How to get the area from the circumference? Okay, from the beginning, we must know something. How to get the area from circumference? We know that circumference of circle equal by 2r. And in the magic triangle, you can write it as C up by 2r. Okay? So how to get r from here? Why we get r? Because to get the area, which is equal by r, we need to find r. How to get r from the circumference? R from the circumference equal C over by 2. So First step, get the radius from the circumference. Second step, calculate the area. Okay? This is what we should do. If he give you the circumference, found the radius, then use the radius to find the area. Okay? Okay. So return back to our problem. Our problem says LA needs new grass in the circular pen for her chickens. What is the area of the pen? Okay. Okay. He gave me that the fencing. He gave me the fencing is 170 feet, 26 feet. This is the fencing. So the meaning of fencing here is the circumference. So we can consider that C equal 176 feet. Okay? And he asked for the area. Okay? What is the area of the circle? So, to find it, we need to do the following. As I told you before, I know that the book uses some other, he didn't use like me, but use my style because it will be more easier. So, we need to get R first. And we know that R equal 100 C divided by multiplied by 2. We will use by here by 22 over 2. So, and C is 176 over 22 over 7 multiply 2. Okay. So, 126 divided 2 equals, actually, to find something like this, you have to do the following. 176 over 22 multiplied 2, and denominator of the denominator is numerator. Always remember it. Denominator of the denominator become numerator. So it will be multiply 7. Sure, you can use it, use the calculator to solve it, but my advice to you is to use your mind first, then check your answer by the calculator. Okay? 126 divided 2, 126 divided 2 will be 8, 16, 1, 16, 88. It's 88. So, equal, divided 2 equal 1, divided 2 equal 88. 88 divided 22, it will be what? 88 divided 22, it will be 4. Yes, I think it's 4. 22 here, it's equal 1, and here equal 4. So it become more easy. So it's 4 multiply 7, which is equal 28. We already solve it mentally. Always use your mind first. Then check your answer by the calculator. Don't always give your mind to the calculator. No. You have a big mind. You can be more faster than the calculator in some easy problems like this. You can use the calculator in big numbers, decimal big numbers, something like this because you don't want to waste your time. But here it's easy to do it mentally, inshallah. Okay? So we calculate the radius. So R equal 28. Now, can you calculate the area? Yes, very easy way. Area equal by R power 2, which is equal 22 over 7 multiply 28 to the power 2. Okay? Here you can use the calculator because the number will be big and it will take time. So at the end, it will be equal 2,464 feet square. Okay? This is how to solve a problem like this. Okay? Again, Let's move to another way of questions. Again, what is the area of the circle with the circumference? This. Okay, we will get R first. R equals circumference of by 2. It equal. You can use by equals 3.14. It's okay. So it will be equal C, which is 25.12 over 3.14 multiply 2 and get the answer. And from the radius you can find the area, which is equal area equal by R to the power 2. So it will be 3.14 multiply R power 2, which you can calculate it, okay, by using calculator. Next one here, the diameter of the pizza is 12 inch. What's its area? Take care about this question. This question, he didn't give me the radius. This is the diameter. So how to deal with it? First, we need to get the radius. Radius equal diameter divided 2. So it's 12 divided 2, which is equal 6. This is the radius. Okay? Then we calculate the area. Area equal by R power 2. So by R power 2, which is equal 3.14 multiply 6 to the power 2. Calculate it and you will find the area by easy way. Okay? Next kind of question. If I give you a circle like this, you have the diameter, but if you need the area, you have to divide the diameter by 2. So R equal D divided 2, which is equal 106 divided 2, which is equal 53. This is the radius. And from here you can find the area. Okay, area equal by multiply R. So it's 3.14 multiply 53 multiply 53. Or you can use it as 3.14 multiply 53 to the power 2. The same. Calculate it and found it. Number 11, the circumference of circle. He gave me the circumference and asked for the area. So get R first, as we told before. It's the same. And then calculate the area. Similar to last example. Another kind of question. Number 16. Frank wants us to find the area of enclosed by the figure as right. The figure has semicircles on each side of 40 meter by 40 meter square. Find the area enclosed by the figure. Use by equal 3.14. We already studied some problems in the circumference like this. To find the area, it's better for you to divide it into parts. So I will consider this part. This is part number 1. Part number 1, part number 2, part number 3, part number 4, part number 5. Actually, because part number 5 is a square, so all sides should be square. So this side is 40, this side 40. And this side represent what? The diameter. Represent diameter. So D equal 40. To get R equal D divided 2, which is equal 20. So R for all the semicircles is 20. So to calculate the area of semicircle, area equal half multiply by multiply R power 2. Why half? Because it's semicircle. Okay? We use half because it's not a whole circle. It's a semicircle. We only calculate the area of this part. So it's 1 over 2. By using pi equals 3.14, multiply 3.14. Multiply R, which is 20 to the power 2. Okay? Calculating it will be equal. It will equal 628 meter square. This is the semicircle, one semicircle, but I have 4 semicircle. So to get area 1 and area 2 and area 3 and area 4, we need to multiply this area by 4. So area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3 plus area 4 equals 4 multiply 628, because they are 4 semicircle, okay, which is equal 2,512 meter square. But we still need area 5 to add to them. Area 5 is a square. How to calculate the area of square? It's side times side. Yes? So area of square, area 5, which is area of square equal 40, multiply 40, which is equal 1600 meter square. By adding area 5 to the sum of other 4 area, you will get the whole area, which is equal, whole area equal 1600 plus 2,512, which is equal 12, 1 and carry up 1, 3 plus 1, 4,112 meter square. That's it. And we solve it. Okay? Someone can think by another way, by another intelligent and more easier way. How to solve it by another way? Another way to solve it is to calculate what? First, we have to decide that we have 4 semicircle. Yes. These 4 semicircle collect each 2 semicircle makes 1 circle. So we have 2 semicircle, it's 1 circle. This semicircle and this semicircle, 1 circle. And this semicircle and this semicircle, 1 circle. So we have 2 circles. The conclusion is that we have 2 circles here. So you can use the area equal 2 multiply 3.14 multiply R, which is R here equal 20 to the power 2. It will give you the same answer. And then calculate the area of the square, which is 1,600. Add them together, it will give you the same answer by 2 steps only. Okay? Okay. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you. Bye.